Let's learn English fast, simple, no stress. Just listen and repeat. Hello, and welcome to my Slow English podcast. Everyone needs free time. It's the part of the day when we can relax, rest, and enjoy life. Free time helps us feel happy and calm. Do you have enough free time? People use their free time in different ways. Some like being alone, others like spending time with friends. Everyone has their own way to relax. Do you prefer quiet time or time with people? In my free time, I like to go for a walk. Walking slowly helps me think and enjoy nature. I look at trees, the sky, and people passing by. Sometimes I listen to music. Music makes me feel free and full of energy. I have songs for every mood: calm songs, happy songs, and sometimes sad ones too. I also enjoy reading. A good book can take me to a new world. I like reading in the morning with coffee or at night before sleeping. Watching movies is another way I spend my free time. I like funny movies, travel shows, or documentaries. They help me relax and learn new things. Sometimes I meet friends. We talk, laugh, and drink coffee together. It's always nice to share time and stories with people I like. Cooking is fun for me too. When I have free time, I try new recipes. The smell of food in the kitchen makes me feel warm and happy. I also enjoy writing. Sometimes I write about my day or my thoughts. Writing helps me understand myself better and feel peaceful inside. On weekends, I like to spend time outside. I visit parks, go to small cafes, or walk near the water. Being outdoors helps me feel fresh and free. Sometimes I do nothing at all. Just rest, sit quietly, and think. Doing nothing is also important. It helps the mind and body relax. Free time is not only about fun, it's about balance. It helps us slow down and remember what really matters in life. Do you enjoy spending your free time alone or with others? Free time is a small gift every day. We should use it to feel happy, grateful, and alive. What we do doesn't matter. How we feel does. Do you smile when you finally have free time? Well, that was all for today. Make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Have a great day. Bye.